St. Petersburg College PTA program is one of the oldest programs in the country.
Physical therapist assistants are in high demand.
In these past couple of years, we've seen the job market definitely hike up a bit.
St. Petersburg College PTA program has had a decades-long reputation for having an outstanding program in preparing students for entry-level work as PT assistants. We have a number of students actually get job offers at the ends of their clinical rotations, even though they're not licensed yet.
Our profession has a NPTE, the National Physical Therapy Exam, and so to this day, all of our students who take the exam have the ultimate pass rate of 100%. And job placement as well. Our graduates are finding work and they're passing their exams.
The field, the career is booming. Our students graduate from our program and they're able to secure jobs in hospitals and skilled nursing facilities and outpatient rehab clinics. So many different opportunities, and our students are getting those job offers right away.